In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the Microsoft Teams cache in Windows 10 and 11. This process is essential when you're facing issues with Teams, like loading problems, glitches, or when the app isn't behaving as it should. Clearing the cache gives Teams a fresh start without the need to reinstall the application. So, let's dive into the steps and get your Teams app back running smoothly. First, we need to make sure Microsoft Teams is completely closed. Start by clicking on the Teams icon that you'll find in your system tray, which is typically at the bottom right of your screen. Once you've clicked on it, select Quit from the options. This ensures that the application is not running in the background. To be absolutely sure it's closed, open your Task Manager. This can be done by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key on your keyboard. In Task Manager, look for any processes that say Teams.exe, and if there are any, select them and click End Task. This step is crucial to ensure that Teams is not using any files while we clear the cache. Now that Teams is completely closed, we're ready to navigate to where the cache files are stored. Press the Windows key along with the R key to bring up the Run dialog box. In the box that appears, type in one of the file paths I've displayed on screen for you. Depending on your version of Teams, one of these paths will lead you to the correct folder. Hit Enter after typing and the Teams data folder will open in a new window. This folder contains the files and subfolders we need to clear out. Inside this folder, you'll see several subfolders, each containing different types of cache files. Specifically, you should look for and delete the following folders: Application Cache / Cache, Blob Storage Cache, Databases, GPU Cache, IndexedDB, Local Storage, and TMP. You can select these files by holding down the Ctrl key while clicking each one. When you're ready, press the Delete key to clear them out. If these folders are numerous or hard to locate, remember, you can use the search box within the File Explorer to make this task easier. It's important to note, however, that you don't want to delete the entire Teams folder, only the specified subfolders. Deleting anything else could interfere with Teams functioning once you restart the app. With the cache files cleared, you can now restart Microsoft Teams. It will create new cache files from scratch, ideally resolving any issues you've been experiencing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this specific guide helps alleviate any troubles you've been facing with Microsoft Teams. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions.